Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into AWS CLI and its role in listing IAM certificates. Think of it as your backstage pass to managing security credentials. We'll explore how the list server certificates command works, how filtering and pagination make life easier, and why AWS SDKs might be your best friend. By the end, you'll be listing certificates like a pro. No magic wand required. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13 plus years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Let's talk about AWS CLI. The Swiss Army knife for AWS management. It's a powerful tool that helps automate tasks, making life easier for developers and administrators. Whether you're managing IAM, EC2, or S3, AWS CLI has got your back. And trust me, once you get the hang of it, clicking around in the AWS console will feel like using a flip phone in the smartphone era. IAM is like the security guard of AWS, ensuring only the right people get access. Server certificates. They're the VIP passes for secure communication. Managing them properly is crucial because nobody wants a security breach ruining their day. Think of it like locking your front door. Simple, but absolutely necessary. Why do we need the list server certificates command? Well, imagine trying to find a specific file in a messy room. This command helps organize and retrieve certificate details efficiently. It's perfect for audits, management, and ensuring security compliance. Plus, with filtering and pagination, you won't have to scroll endlessly like you do on social media. Let's get technical. The command syntax is straightforward. Just type AWS EM list server certificates and boom, you get your certificates. But wait, there's more. You can refine your search using parameters like Path Prefix. And the best part, the output is in JSON, so no need to decode cryptic responses like an ancient manuscript. Filtering with Path Prefix is like using a search bar instead of flipping through pages manually. It helps you find exactly what you need without the extra clutter. Think of it as ordering coffee. You don't just say coffee, you specify latte with oat milk, no sugar. Precision matters. Ever scrolled through an endless list of emails? AWS CLI's pagination options prevent that nightmare. With max items and marker, you control how much data you fetch at a time. It's like grocery shopping. You don't grab everything at once, you take it aisle by aisle. Server certificate metadata list is your cheat sheet for certificate details. It tells you the name, ID, and expiration date, so no surprises when a certificate expires. Think of it as checking your passport before a trip. You don't want to realize it's expired at the airport. Retrieving certificate details is like checking your car's oil before a road trip. You want to ensure everything is in top shape. AWS CLI gives you expiration dates, policies, and more, so you can manage certificates proactively. Because let's face it, last-minute fixes are never fun. AWS SDKs take certificate management to the next level. Instead of manually running CLI commands, you can integrate them into your applications. It's like upgrading from a bicycle to a sports car. Faster, smoother, and way more efficient. Security in IAM certificate management is like locking your doors. Essential and non-negotiable. First, strong encryption keeps unauthorized access at bay. Regular credential rotation ensures attackers don't hold onto old keys. Least privilege access means only those who truly need it can make changes. And of course, monitoring and audits, because surprises are best saved for birthdays, not security breaches. We've all been there, something breaks and suddenly panic mode kicks in. Misconfigured permissions can lock out users unexpectedly. Expired certificates. That's like showing up with a movie ticket from last year. Doesn't work. Incorrect IAM policies can leave teams scratching their heads. And forgetting to update certificates properly is a classic rookie mistake. Let's avoid all this by staying ahead of these issues. IAM certificates aren't lone wolves. they thrive in collaboration. AWS Lambda benefits from their security for authentication. API Gateway uses them to keep data transfers airtight. AWS S3, seamless authentication makes access smooth. And if automation excites you, AWS Secrets Manager simplifies certificate handling. Let's get these integrations rolling so security doesn't slow us down. Managing IAM certificates is like taking care of a car. Maintenance is key. Multi-factor authentication adds an extra security layer. Clear policies ensure there's no confusion about usage. Regular updates patch vulnerabilities and automating renewals. That's like scheduling oil changes so nothing breaks unexpectedly. Let's put these best practices into action. Not all roads lead to IAM. Sometimes alternatives work better. Third-party certificate authorities offer external validation. AWS Certificate Manager, convenient and reliable. Self-signing certificates can be great for internal systems, while blockchain-based management adds transparency. Choose the approach that best fits your organization's needs. Theory is great, but let's talk real world. Big companies use IAM certificates to secure user authentication. APIs rely on them for safe transactions. Automating compliance workflows saves hours of manual work. And let's not forget efficient certificate revocation. It ensures compromised credentials don't linger. Seeing IAM in action makes all the security talk worthwhile. And that's a wrap. We covered IAM certificates from security to best practices and real-world applications. The key takeaway: stay proactive with management and you'll avoid chaos. Security and compliance aren't just buzzwords, they make a difference. If you want to dive deeper, plenty of resources await you. Let's take these insights and put them into action. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.